In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create an order form in Wix in 2022. The process is super straightforward and simple, so let's just get straight into it. What you want to do once you're in your Wix website editor, so what you want to do now is go to the left-hand corner and you see all these different options. Click on Add Apps. That's going to open up the Wix app marketplace, and then once that loads up, you just want to search for an app called 123. And it's this 123 form builder and payments. Click on that, and then you just want to click on add to site. It's going to ask you for the permissions. Just click on add to site, and just like that you have imported a form. You can click on settings right now, and then you want to click on the forms option in the left hand corner, and then you want to select order form or whatever form that you want. You can resize this however you want it. So right now select that. Then to edit this, just click on settings once again, then go to customize form at the bottom, and this is where you can customize your form. You can click on the name for an example. You can change it right over there. You can click on these options, change them like over here, change the text, and that's all you need to do. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.